Speaker, sir, please permit me to speak from this place.
5 minutes.
Honorable Speaker, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate in this discussion on the occasion of 111th Amendment Bill 2011, brought by the Minister of Agriculture, Sri Sharad Yajav. Sharad Pawarji. The bill aims to bring in a constitutional amendment to strengthen the cooperative sector by minimizing the government interference in the working of these institutions in a welcome move. The Indian cooperative sector completed 107 years of its existence in 2011. The United States declared observed the 2012 as the International Year of Cooperative Societies. As this juncture, this bill is brought in before the Parliament, it is a welcome step. Cooperative find mentioned that Indian Constitution explanatory at two places. In the Part 4 of Article 43 as a directive principles and which enjoins the state government to promote cottage industry as an individual or cooperative basis in the rural areas. As a second, the second Schedule 7 entries 43 and 44 of the Union list and entry 32 in the state list. The proposed bill adds a new directive principle of state policy stating that the state shall endeavor to promote voluntary formation, amalgamation, autonomous functioning as democratic control and professional management of cooperative societies. In further inserts a new Part 9B in the Constitution, adding Article 243 ZH through 243 ZT, which outlines the certain guidelines for the running cooperative societies. The major additions in the bill relates to insert the Article 43B in Part 4 of the Constitution as a directive principle of state policy, voluntary formation of cooperative societies. To make a provision for giving a representation to women and scheduled castes and scheduled tribes by provision of the reservation of 2 seats for women and 1 seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe on the board of every cooperative society which has 2 individuals as a member of such categories, Article 243 GZ1 and the provision. And also, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister that on what criteria you fixed the member of directors is 21. I would like to suggest that this number should be fixed according to the number of districts in the concerned state so that representatives from all the districts would get provisionally in the state apex cooperative bodies. That is why I request you, Minister, to look into the aspect. Okay. 1 second. I appreciate the stated objectives of the proposed constitutional amendment bill, which seeks to promote and build cooperative societies on the principles of the voluntary and open membership, democratic and member-centric participation in the autonomous functioning. However, the most question is whether the proposed amendment is the most suitable mechanism to achieve this goal. It needs to be understood that the cooperative societies are meant to be autonomous societies for the persons united, voluntary to meet their common economic, social and cultural needs and aspirations. They must not be treated as a part of the government of the machinery, like the institutions of the local governance, which have to be established as a third tier of the government following the 73rd Constitutional Amendment.
Okay, right. Thank you. Please.
The Constitution is meant to be defined as the role of the state, provides for the mechanism for the proper functioning of the different organs of the state and protect the citizens from the undue encourages on their liberty. Okay. Such as the Constitution needs to contain detailed provisions only to the extent. Just 1 minute, sir. In fact, the directive principles of the state policy lay down the foundation for the principles of the governance of the country, as it is the duty of the state to apply these principles of making the class. The cooperative philosophy is aimed to helping all
No,
the
that is
society
all right.
by
These
involving
general
the-
things, it's
involving
amendment. You
the-
say any amendment.
In cooperative
It's
efforts,
gone, telling
therefore,
this.
in order
It's
to
not
fulfill the objectives of the cooperative sector,
Shri
what is
Bapati ji.
ensure that the benefits reached to the people belong to the lowest start of society. It was to be possible only when everyone in the cooperative institutions developed the confidence about the cooperative
Jagannath,
principles.
Jagannath.
Hence,
Please.
a government should be pay the adequate
Okay, that
attention
is
to
all.
this
All right,
aspect
all right,
and
please.
also support this bill. Thank you.
Jagannath.